So Steve, what brings you to Space Tech Expo for this year?
Well, this is our third year here, and basically we've got an established customer base already here at the show, so it's more like a meet and greet for us. If we get some new clients, it's like a cherry on top for us. Like last year, we did pick up a new account and done quite a bit of business with them so far this year, so it's been great.
Talk me through the products and services you offer. You've got 5 decades of experience in this market.
We specialize in inertia friction welding, which is bonding dissimilar metals. So we do stuff for the aerospace industry, commercial industry, medical. We have stuff on Mars rover. We're heavily involved right now in the Orion project, so we're excited to be going back to Mars. And it's good. The space is crazy right now. There's so much going on, and we're trying to keep up with it.
And why do you think it is so crazy? Why now is space technology just so important?
I think because you got so many privateers out there that are just, storming the way. And all the big companies that have been involved in it before, they're playing catch up. And so everybody's racing to get there. And it's a good thing. And we're in the race.
And you say here, obviously you come and you meet existing customers, maybe get a few new leads. You've got a good reputation for adjusting the products you supply to the needs of your customers. How's that going to change over the next sort of 2 to 5 years?
Well, right now we're working with the companies that are doing additive materials, 3D printing. We're actually been doing some inertia bonding with those, which is new for us, okay? So we're working hand in hand with them because we see that that's going to be the future, and we want to be part of that.
Steve, thank you very much for your time.
You're very welcome.